You've seen this bird before. Black feathers, bright yellow beak, walking across pavement like it owns the place. It shouts, argues, steals crumbs, and somehow always wins. This is the Myna, a bird that learned to live among humans better than most animals on Earth. But behind its bold attitude lies something far more complex. Today we'll uncover why nature needs the Myna, how it keeps ecosystems in balance, and why this noisy survivor might just be one of evolution's smartest creations. The common Myna is a relative of the starling. Native to South Asia, it has now conquered the world, from India to Thailand, from Kazakhstan to the Pacific Islands, and even parts of Africa. The Myna doesn't just survive, it adapts, it learns, it thrives in chaos. It's a bridge between wild nature and the human world, and that's its true function, to connect two ecosystems that rarely coexist. 10 functions of the Myna in nature. 1. Seed spreader. Mynas eat fruits and berries, then scatter the seeds far and wide, helping plants colonize new areas. 2. Insect controller. They hunt locusts, beetles, roaches, and even small scorpions, reducing pest numbers naturally. 3. Street and field cleaner. They eat leftovers, carrion, and waste, keeping both cities and farmlands cleaner. 4. Population regulator. Mynas compete with weaker species, forcing ecosystems to evolve and stay resilient. 5. Environmental indicator. When Mynas disappear, it's a warning sign. Something in the balance has broken. 6. Bridge between urban and wild. They live near humans but remain deeply connected to nature, a rare example of coexistence. 7. Natural pollinator. By feeding on nectar and pollen, they help plants reproduce, especially in tropical gardens. 8. Link in the food chain. Mynas feed hawks, owls, and snakes, supporting predators and keeping balance. 9. Microbe transporter. They carry bacteria and fungi that accelerate decomposition and nutrient cycling. 10. Symbol of adaptation. The Myna shows that survival isn't about strength, it's about intelligence and flexibility. 10 surprising facts about Mynas. 1. They can talk. Mynas mimic human speech better than most parrots. 2. They have a sense of humor. Some have been seen imitating ringtones or barking like dogs just for fun. 3. They work in pairs. One distracts predators, the other steals food. Teamwork at its finest. 4. They recognize faces. A Myna remembers the person who fed it and the one who didn't. 5. They defend territory with strategy. Instead of random attacks, they use intimidation and sound tactics. 6. Their vocabulary is huge. Over 20 distinct calls for danger, flirting, or simple chatter. 7. They prefer walking to flying. It saves energy, a perfect example of efficiency. 8. In India, they're considered sacred, a symbol of love and loyalty. Mated pairs stay together for life. 9. They're part of urban ecology. By eating food scraps, they reduce waste in massive cities. 10. The Myna is among the smartest birds on Earth. It ranks in the top 5 for problem solving and social intelligence. Conclusion. The Myna isn't just a noisy city bird. It's a living link between humanity and the wild. It proves that survival isn't about muscle, it's about mind. The Myna is nature's lesson in adaptation, teamwork, and intelligence. A reminder that evolution never stops watching, even in the middle of a busy street. If you'll never look at Mynas the same way again, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, which animal do you think has adapted best to live with humans? Maybe that will be the next story we tell.